add the matte top coat on already and clear for 60 seconds, so then that way we can move right on to the design. So I'm gonna go ahead and using Premium Iho Transfer Foil. This will transfer in like really quick, simple and easy. And then you can do it like hoe and tie the nails, but this time I'm gonna do just in the diagonals right here in this part. And then you don't have to get it like a perfect, you can do however you would like. I'm gonna just doing it like have a wiggles a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and clear for 30 seconds. And then we have this super cute also from the night shirt box as well. So I'm using today, we're gonna use this colors, these plate colors, and then this one. So like have a black and gray or black and white, and then the red and black. So it looks cute. You can do any colors. They're so stunning to do and super easy to do. And then we're also gonna using the Emerald 40 gel. So I'm gonna go ahead, and then with this one you can do however you would like. And I have a matte top coat already, so this is not gonna be transfers on the part that I don't want. So now if you want any of this part, which is like, you know, the heart or whatever you want, you can also use those. If you don't want to just want only the plates, you can just try to find a spot that it doesn't have anything else. It's really depend on your preference and on your client. So give it a really quick rub on. My hands had a little bit of cuticle oil, so I'm gonna using the tweezers, dual end tweezer, and then give it really quick rub. It's really slippery. And then make sure you're getting on the edges. Okay. And then we're gonna release this one. Make sure you get all the bubble off, so it want to transfer nicely for you. So if you still see the bubbles, you can always lay it back and give it a quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead, and if you want to do it right away, you can. I'm gonna add some of the veining looks using the Golden Touch. There's so many different ways you can use it with the foil, which is I like it a lot too, or you can use it with the illuminating gel art. So I'm just using this tin tip brush and pick up some of my Golden Touch. I love this one. It's really simple and it's so easy to do. The consistency of this gel painting, it's just everything. So this is the Golden Touch, and then you can just like giving a quick. And this is give you some really quick design. If you don't want anything else, no crystal, nothing, you can definitely get away with this. It's so beautiful, simple for the clients who are doing just simple transfer foil. And you can add more of your Golden Touch as you prefer. Okay, I'm gonna give you a really quick like here for about 30 seconds.